Today, we're going to build a simple tip calculator that you can use on your mobile phone or computer without writing any code. First, open your favorite spreadsheet software, such as Excel or Google Sheets. Spreadsheets are the best tool for writing formulas, making them ideal for this project. Now, let's create the input fields. In one cell, enter the bill amount. Let's use $50 as an example. In the next cell, enter the tip percentage and format it as a percentage. Let's enter 10%. Next, we'll create the formula to calculate the tip. Simply multiply the bill amount by the tip percentage. Finally, we'll calculate the total amount by adding the tip to the bill amount. Now, let's turn this spreadsheet into an interactive online calculator. We'll use a tool called SpreadsheetWeb to do this. Go to SpreadsheetWeb.com and sign up for a free account. If your file is small and you have limited web access, the free plan is available. Log into your account and click Create New Application. Enable the automated app creation tool by selecting Yes when prompted. Follow the guided steps, and the system will generate a preview of your application. If you're happy with the result, click Publish, and that's it. You now have a fully functional online tip calculator that you can access from any device. Try it out and customize it to fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.